The swivel belt clip of this Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 6.9-inch case is rotatable of 180 degrees and also contains a small bracket. It is easily locked into an extended position and provides different viewing angles while watching movies or video calls. The built-in locking kickstand is perfect for viewing the content in landscape orientation. This phone case for Galaxy Note 20 Ultra made in shock absorption TPU inner sleeve. Impact-resistant hard skid plastic to provide all-around protection, and the case textured can avoid falling. Bumper combined covers all four corners, provide bumps, prevent slip, and soft fiber hair is built in the back shell which can keep the screen from scratching.